Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enter and exit full screen mode in Google Docs. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the View tab, and then where it says full screen, just go ahead and left click on that. So now that we're in full screen mode here, you should be able to use Google Docs as normal or as expected. And if you want to re-show the tools and the other settings in Google Docs, you can just tap the escape key on your keyboard. It's similar to tapping F11 on your keyboard if you wanted to make Google Docs full screen mode, which is more of a browser setting. So again, the F11 key will actually make Google Docs full screen mode. However, if you just want to make the document itself full screen mode within the browser itself, you would select View and then full screen like I just said. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.